Hi students, we have a new question here. It's saying if a equal 5 square root of 2 and 2a equals square root of 2x, what is the value of x? So it's very important that you notice here that it's saying 2a equal the square root of 2x, and don't forget that 2x is under the square root. So if I have a only, what about 2a? So that means from this one I can say 2a equal, I multiply 2 by the 5 square root of 2, which means I will have 10 square root of 2. Now if I have the 2a, and this is given by them, equal to the square root of 2x, that means I can take this value and equal it to this value, because both equal to 2a. So that means 10 square root of 2 equal square root of 2x. So it's clear here, this is 2 and this 2. If I enter the 10 inside, it's going to be the value of x, because we need the value of x. So I need to enter really the 10 under the square root. And you know very well that to enter the 10 under the square root, it's not going to be 10. It's going to be square root of 2 times this 10 will become 100, because the square root of 100 equal 10, equal to square root of 2x. So 2 times 100 equal 2 times x. That means right away x equal 100, and this should be your answer. Next, I have this figure, and it's saying in figure above, line L and M are parallel. So I see right away here L and M are parallel. That means this line, it's parallel to this line. And line S and T are parallel. So again, this line S, it's parallel to line T. If the measure of angle L is 35, so this actually is not L, this is 1. If the measure of angle 1 is 35 degree, what is the measure of angle 2? So first of all, I know that 1, this angle, it's opposite of this angle. That means this angle equal to 35 degree. And this angle that's 35 degree with this angle, they are co-interior angle. Co-interior angle, that means the sum of the two has to be equal to 150 degrees. So that means this x plus 35 should equal to 180 degrees. That means x equal 180 minus 35. So that means x equal 10 minus 5 equal 5, 7 minus 3 equal 4, and 1. So 145, this x. And because line L and line M are parallel, this x and the angle 2, they are in the position of alternate angles. So that means 2 equal, or angle 2 equal to 145 degree also. That means the choice D is the correct one. Next, if 16 plus 4x is 10 more than 24. So again, I'm going to write this. This is in words. I'm going to write it on like in form of number. 16 plus 4x is, which means equal, 10 more than 14. 10 more than 14, that means 24. What is the value of 8x? So I don't need x, I need 8x. Okay, so let's start to find what is x first, and after that I can move to 8x. So to isolate for x, I'm going to ask the 16 to go to the other side. So it's going to be 24 minus 16, which means 4x equal to here 8. Now, if 4x equal 8, and the question, what is 8x? That means what I'm doing, I multiply by 2. That means I can multiply the other one by 2. So 8x equal 16. And here the answer C is going to be the right answer. Next, if y equal kx, where k is a constant and y equal 24 when x equals 6. So let's take this one first. The relation is with this way, y equal kx, and saying y equal 24 when x equals 6. This will help me to do what? This will help me to find the value of k. So to isolate k, I need to divide both terms by 6. So to do that, 6 will cancel 6, so I will have k, and 24 divided by 6 equal 4. So now I have the constant k, which is 4. Now I can use it with any way. So now if I need to retype again y equal kx, now I can say y equal 4x. This is going to be the general one because we found already k, the constant value is 4. So now, what is the value of y? What is the value of y when x equal 5? When x equal 5. So y equal 20. So that means answer C is the right choice. Thank you for listening.